Hello guys, welcome to Motivated Engineer. On 11th of August, Google India has tweeted from its Twitter handle about Google Public Card. Till now, you have to carry your business card everywhere, but from now on, just say, "Hey dude, find me on Google bro."
Ah, that's hot. That's hot.
Quite interesting. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you how can you add yourself to Google. Means just typing your name on search box you can find yourself. Can we start the video? Yes, of course. Let us start the video. Okay. For this, you have to open a browser in your mobile phone because this feature is only available in mobile phones right now. So search your name on Google search box and you will find a new option at the first place to add yourself to Google search. So from this you can add yourself. So first of all, let us see the sample. So this is the sample of the public card. After following all these steps, you can create your own card like this. So now I'm going to create my own card. So click on get started and here we go. The screen is quite small, so let us make it big screen. Okay, so here it is taking my name by default. That's fine. So I have to start from location. So it is Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Nice. And I have to write about myself. Okay, let us do it. A tech blogger and YouTuber. Along with this, an engineering student. Fine. And now I have to choose my occupation. So search for software. Okay, software engineer. And now I can add my work, hometown, education. So it is Graphic Era University, situated in Dehradun. And now let us try hometown. It is Patna, Bihar. And of course, if you have website, you can add this also here. So https techexport.com, and now I can add my social profiles also. So let us add first Facebook page of my website, that is techexport. And now let us add Pinterest. So it is also the same, techexport. And this time Instagram. Okay, it is also techexport. Now click on save. You can add your LinkedIn profile also, and it will take your email or phone number by default, so you don't have to add it. And this is the preview of your card. This is how your card look like after following these steps. So okay, it is taking graphic extra, no worries. So quite interesting, right? Now click on save and view search card. As I said, it is available to mobile only till now. So again, search your name on Google, and here we go. You can find, update it. Okay, you can find my card. Just I have created it. Looking quite good, right? Okay, so this is the card. This is the final result. After following all the steps, you can create your own card also. So from just clicking on the web address, I can access my website, my Facebook page, my Pinterest. Okay, good. Oh, I'm not going to show you my email address. And even Instagram also. Okay. So this is something like searching for a celebrity on Google, right? So by following this step, you can also remove your card like this. So my card has been removed. So let us check it. Open a new tab and again search for my name. Okay. So this is the last data updated. And now you can see the card has been removed. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. Please do comment below and subscribe the channel. Thank you.